Welcome back to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you how to check graphics card in PC using a simple built-in method so you can quickly find your GPU details. Now let's get started. Step 1. Right-click on the Start button on your taskbar. The Start button is located at the bottom left corner of your screen and gives you access to important system tools. This step is important because it opens a quick menu with advanced options. Step 2. Click on Device Manager from the menu that appears. Device Manager is a built-in Windows tool that shows all the hardware connected to your computer. It helps you manage and check devices like keyboards, processors, and graphics cards. Step 3. In the Device Manager window, find and double-click on Display Adapters. This section contains information about your graphics hardware. Expanding it allows you to see the exact GPU installed in your PC. Step 4. View the name of your graphics card listed under Display Adapters. The name shown here tells you the model of your GPU, which is useful for installing drivers, checking compatibility, or upgrading your system. This confirms which graphics card your computer is using. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.